The goal of this video is to demonstrate the functions of the various components on the form builder and explain how to utilize them effectively. In this section, you will learn about the different components available for adding to a form. The date-time component allows you to input any date into the report. The drop-down component is a menu where you can select multiple options. The input component is used for entering regular text. The picture component enables you to add a photo using your phone's camera. The text area component provides a larger space for entering more extensive information. The yes/no component is a checkbox for simple yes or no selections. The signature component allows you to capture the signature of the person in charge just by drawing on it. The timer component functions as a chronometer that you can start with a play button. Timer Auto is a timer that automatically starts running as soon as you open the form. Document enables you to upload a PDF document or any chosen format. Custom lock code is particularly useful for product tracking. And lastly, the inventory component allows you to input information such as code, product name, and quantity. These components will be displayed in the app interface as described.